Yay! Summer is here. And if you have a pool, you might think your home is automatically worth more than your neighbor's. After all, pools aren't cheap. Sometimes homeowners spend 30,000, 50,000, or even 100,000 on creating their dream backyard. But does that mean that your home is worth that much more when it's time to sell? The answer may surprise you. Today, we're talking about what every home seller in El Paso, Texas, and southern New Mexico needs to know before listing their home with a pool. We'll discuss whether pools actually add value, the question every seller should ask themselves, how to prepare your pool for buyers, and the important questions buyers should ask before making an offer. So, if you own a pool or if you're thinking about buying a home with a pool, this is information that you definitely need to know. I'm Joanne Garcia, your realtor and trusted home advisor, serving El Paso and southern New Mexico to help buyers and sellers make smart decisions with real estate. And today we're tackling one of the biggest myths in real estate. Let's start with a question everybody wants answered. Does a pool add value? The short answer is sometimes. In our desert climate, pools can absolutely make a property more attractive. Let's be honest. When it's over 100 degrees outside in El Paso, a backyard pool can feel like paradise. Many buyers love the idea of cooling off after work, entertaining family and friends, hosting barbecues, working out in the pool, in their bathing suits, no matter what they look like, in the privacy of their own backyard, and they enjoy the outdoor lifestyle. For those buyers, a pool is a huge benefit, but not every buyer sees it that way. Other buyers immediately start thinking about maintenance costs, water bills, electricity expenses, insurance concerns, safety issues, and future repairs. So while a pool may increase buyers' interest, it doesn't necessarily add a dollar for dollar value based on what you're spending to build it. And there's where many homeowners get disappointed. The market doesn't reimburse you for that every dollar you invested. Instead, buyers determine value based on how much they want the feature and how much it is been maintained. That's why a beautiful, well-maintained pool can help a home sell faster and attract stronger interest, while a neglected pool can actually hurt your home's value. So let's talk about the three questions every seller should be asking themselves before listing their home. Question number one, if I were a buyer, would I be excited about this pool or would I be worried about it? Take an honest look. Does your pool look like a resort or does it look like a future expense? Buyers immediately notice things like cracked decking, missing tiles, stained surfaces, cloudy water, worn equipment, and some landscaping that maybe has been neglected. And here's the truth. The moment a buyer starts worrying about repairs, they're mentally reducing what they're willing to pay for your home. So remember, first impression matters. Here's question number two. How old is my pool equipment? Buyers often will ask about the pool pump, the filter system, if it's heated, if it has salt water, what that equipment is like, and if it has any automation controls. Even if the pool itself looks beautiful, older equipment can raise concerns. If your equipment is aging, be prepared for questions during the inspections. And if you've recently upgraded your equipment, that's something worth highlighting because buyers appreciate knowing a major expense has already been addressed. Question number three. Am I marketing a pool or am I marketing a backyard lifestyle? This is one of the biggest mistakes sellers often make. They focus entirely on the pool itself. What buyers are really buying is the experience. Think about the entire outdoor environment. Do you have a covered patio, outdoor dining space, beautiful landscaping? How about shade? Do you have any shade in your backyard? A fire pit? Maybe a very nice entertaining area. The best backyard spaces create an emotional connection. Buyers imagine themselves relaxing, entertaining, and enjoying life there. Now let's talk about two simple things sellers can do before listing their home. Tip number one, make the water crystal clear. Nothing kills buyers' excitement faster than green or cloudy water. Before photos, open houses, or showings, have the pool professionally cleaned if necessary. Balance the chemicals. Remove the debris. Clean the skimmer baskets. Brush the walls and make the pool sparkle. You want buyers to walk outside and say, wow, wow. You don't want them to start saying, I wonder how much that's going to cost to fix. Tip number two, show buyers the pool has been maintained. Gather records for the routine maintenance. All those bills that you've been paying on a monthly or weekly basis, equipment replacements, maybe your warranties, your repairs, or even your service history. When buyers see documentation, that often will lead to higher confidence, and that will also lead to stronger offers. Now let's switch gears and talk to buyers. If you're considering a home with a pool, and there are two questions that you absolutely need to ask yourself. Question number one, How much will this pool actually cost me every month? Many buyers only focus on the purchase price, but pools come with ongoing expenses. So think about maintenance, water, electricity, chemicals, occasional repairs. A pool is a lifestyle investment, and it's important to understand the total cost of ownership. Question number two, how old is the equipment and when was it last serviced? If a beautiful pool can hide extensive problems, ask for maybe the age of the pump, the filter, the heater, the pool surface, or whether there have been any major leaks or repairs. In many cases, a professional pool inspection is money well spent because it can uncover issues before they become your responsibility. The truth is, a pool can absolutely be a selling feature here in El Paso and southern New Mexico, but only if it's presented correctly. A well-maintained pool creates excitement. A neglected pool creates hesitation, and hesitation can cost a seller money. So if you're thinking about selling a home with a pool and want to know more about how home buyers will view your property in today's market, I would be happy to help. Visit my website, yourelpasohomes.com, to download your free home seller guide, your home buyer guide, or to simply schedule a consultation with me, Joanne Garcia, your realtor and trusted home advisor, serving El Paso, Texas, and southern New Mexico. I'll help you understand exactly how features like a pool impact your home's value, what buyers are looking for, and how to position your property to attract the strongest offers. If you found this video helpful, be sure to comment, like, share with somebody that has a pool or is thinking about buying a pool, and let me know what comments you might have.